Hi Kirby fans, so today we're going to be checking out the latest pickup, run a CFM test on it and then get it totally stripped down and cleaned. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment. If you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so as I said, we've got the latest pickup. This one is in a sorry state. We're going to check this out, see what it is, run a CFM test on it, and then get it totally stripped down and cleaned, and then ready to get back together in the next video. So what we'll do is get straight to it. So as you can see, we've got a Sentria 1. This is in a bit of a sorry state. Now I actually picked this up last night. It was on a buy swap and sell site, and I think I paid $50 for it. It's only the machine and just the hose, but it's had a sorry life. So what we're going to do is zoom in, see what it's about, see what's happening with it, and then get it totally stripped down. And I'll be doing that outside because I don't know what's in here, and then get it all polished up and back together in the next video. We're going to run a CFM test before we strip it down and see what she rates at, and then we'll see what it is after the refurb. So what we'll do is just quickly zoom in and have a look around it. Right, so before we even start, we've actually got the generic click, so we all know what that is. It definitely needs a polish. There's a scratch on here, scratch on there. Let's have a look, see what bag we've got in there. So we've got the old style bag. This was done on the G7 and the early Sentrias with that curve opening, and then this Kirby went back to the straight bag. So in here, we've got a paper bag. So it's not even a HEPA filter bag that actually came with the machine. It's one of those cheap generic bags. So we'll see what CFM we've got with that. Round. We've got a bit of corrosion there as well. Ugh. Yeah, we're definitely opening that outside. We've got a split lead as well. So it does run. Right, so I did see a spider. I've just sprayed it. So we'll have a look at the brush roll. Oh, and as you can see, that's never been cleaned off. That's just like nastiness. The brush roll's been wound down. You got a number 3 here, and it's been wound down to number 2 there. So it's not even in straight. So that brush roll will need replacing as well. Other than that, everything else seems fine. I will run a CFM test on it before we take it apart, and then I'll have to get it outside purely because there is spiders in there, and I've just killed one. So what we'll do is we'll jump into the CFM test. Right, so we're just going to run this with the brush roll off, and then we'll take it outside. So we'll see what the CFM is. So headphone users, turn them down. So as you can see, that was pushing out 100, just under 118 CFM. So it's definitely under par on what it should be. So what I'll do now is jump into the time lapse and get this stripped down outside. This is stuck solid, so just had to bash that actually in. It's broken the spring and everything. I tried to knock it in and it's broke. It's solid. Now it actually comes out. that's all broken. So we're going to need a new one of these. I've never had one of these freeze up or even be rusted up. So there's that much corrosion in there. We'll see if we can repair it, but if not, we're going to need a new one. Right, so this is actually rounded off. It literally took the end off me Torx bit. So I think we're going to have to drill this out. Luckily I have got another Sentria base, just in case this doesn't work out. we've got everything washed up now, and we're just going to buff these up and get all the corrosion and get these back to looking brand spanking new. Now I've got a few scratches on here. You can see a big scratch there, a few scratches here. So what we'll do is we'll see whether we can get those scratches out and actually get this looking back to new as it did in 2007. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed those moments of stress I had when the time lapse slowed down so you could actually see what was going on. I thought that was never going to end. Right, so now we've got the Sentria all stripped down, ready to get back together. Hopefully there's no more issues like I've had in this episode. If you skip through the time lapse, you actually missed them. So I'd go back and watch again. Make sure you check out the links in the description below. There's Black Friday deals going on, so make sure you check those out. Don't forget, we're literally about 50 subscribers away from that 1500 mark when I'm going to announce that next Kirby giveaway that I'm giving away. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to enter that competition. You must be subscribed to actually enter the competition. So again, those new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Right, I hope you enjoyed that video, and as you've seen when the time lapse slowed down on those various times, there was quite a few issues and quite a few moments I had, to say the least. Hopefully there's no more issues. Right, so now we've got that